All right. Hey, Bob, how you doing? My name is Nathan Bruce. Real quick, we're going to talk about a couple things, how you can gain more customers. I'm going to go right into it. First off, I think, if it'll let me do it here. Yeah, here we go. So when I looked up your website, I found your website through Angie's List. I saw Daloia Contracting on there. This says that this is your website. I don't think this is your website. If you have a website, definitely send that to me. This is what I clicked when I clicked this, visit website button. This is what comes up. So what I wanted to talk about kind of was when I found your name, your company name, it was under spray foam installation under Angie's List. So I was thrown off by that a little bit. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you do actually do it. Maybe you're a contractor who does a wide variety of things. I totally understand because my father's a contractor too, so he does a little bit of everything. So I totally get it. You also do like door installations and window installation, as it says, which is awesome. So when I looked that up into Google, window installation, Albany, New York. This is the first couple ads that pop up. And then this is what we call a map pack. And this is where all the businesses try and definitely get in because most of the traffic, most of the clicks, most of the calls that businesses get, it's because they are in this spot right here. And then we scroll down a little bit, we'll get Yelp, we'll get Angie's List to pop up. And then we have the actual businesses starting to pop up. So with us, building a website would be awesome for you. We can get you ranking on that first page. So what I'm going to do here is show you a competitor of yours, Bennett Contracting. So they've been coming up a little bit. Their website is a nice layout. What we like to tell our customers is let's give you 1,500 words on the front page to really get you ranking on that first page of Google. They don't hit the 1,500 mark, so we can definitely beat them in that area. And this is a website that I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly, and this is something that you could do yourself. You can do this all yourself. It's kind of like what value do I bring to the table? I understand this Ahrefs ranking. I understand this very well. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what this says real quick, all these numbers mean. So the domain rating. Okay, so the domain rating is how much power the website has in Google's eyes. And the Ahrefs rank, the AR, they switched up this website a little bit. But the AR pretty much means how much Google trusts the website. So 16 out of 100, they don't trust this website at all. There's not very much power. So when we build your website, that's pretty much what we're going to beat. That's what we're going to target. We want the highest number possible out of 100. We want Google to like us in all shapes of the sense, forms of the word, whatever you want to say. We're going to talk about backlinks a little bit more, organic keywords, referring domains. So backlinks, that's how many links other websites are pointing to your website. So what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll ask websites to sponsor us to put our link, your website link in their page, and that's a backlink. Referring domains, the total number of unique domains linking to your target. Organic keywords, they have a lot. They're using a lot of keywords, so 3,000. What we can do for your website is we'll literally copy and paste this and make sure you get in the first position. Obviously, Bennett Contracting, you can't beat that because it's Bennett Contracting. No one's going to be looking up Bennett Contracting for your company, you know what I mean? But there's a difference between national keywords, like county keywords, state keywords. Pretty much you want to be bathroom remodeling, Albany, New York, if, say, that's what you did. Remodeling, let's see, like deck repair, say you did deck repair. Kitchen remodeling, where's the window stuff? They do window. door replacement, Troy. So say you're in Troy, or door replacement, window replacement, Albany. So it says they're in the 5th position for that. So what we would want to try and do is get your website to the 1st position. So whenever someone types in window replacement, Albany, New York, you would be the first page that pops up, Bob. So that's a little example there real quick. I'm going to show you a competitor from spray foam. If you do the spray foam, again, this is literally Albany Spray Foam Installation. That's their company name. Their website, it's all right. It's pretty good, and we would try and make it similar to that, but beat them out in the keywords, because when we go to their Ahrefs rank, look at this, the big fat 0. So if we made a website with spray foam installation for you, Bob, we could immediately get them. We can immediately start beating them. Google's going to trust us more. We're going to be a new website. Google's going to like us. We're going to have a lot more power. And the way we're going to do that is, ranking for these keywords. Organic traffic just means how many people come to the page a month. Let's see their keywords real quick. So, spray foam installation near me. What are they ranking in? Installation, Albany, New York. They're in the 5th spot. So that's an example. We could do that. Volume pretty much just means how many people look up that keyword a month. Spray foam installers. Let's see. We got foam installation, spray foam installation, installers, spray foam companies near me. Spray foam. I'm looking for spray foam New York. Spray foam installation New York. Okay. Katie pretty much means how difficult it would be to beat them out of 100. 100-point scale. 8. It's not that hard. Spray foam installation near me. They're positioning badly in areas. This is the best one for them. Installation Albany, New York. So they'll be in that 5th position on that Google page for that keyword. That's kind of the scope of it all. Bob, if you'd like to talk more, if you like what you're seeing today, seriously, give me a call. My number is 518-379-7661. My name is Nathan Bruce, and thank you for joining me in this video. I appreciate it. Have a good one.